I'm going on a road trip in USA of almost 1200 kilometers.
Keep on coming, I can use a blackout. Give me something to drink, 'cause I don't wanna think. But now, knock me right out, filling me up, pictures out of my mind. Looking at my confidence and talking to a stranger.
हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल आदाब मेरे दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ सिएटल में और आज है मेरी पहली रोड ट्रिप यूएसए में, विच इज़ सिएटल टू कैलिफोर्निया सैन होजे। मैं अपनी दीदी के यहाँ रुका हुआ हूँ सिएटल में एंड मैं अपनी दूसरी दीदी से मिलने जा रहा हूँ सैन होजे। इट्स ए फैमिली रोड ट्रिप। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है यहाँ रोड ट्रिप्स कैसी होती है, हाईवेज कैसे होते हैं। यू बी रेडी टू बी विथ मी एंड लेट्स गो। यस गाइस,
Hello guys, and we're also gonna do a live stream. We also have a new handshake for the trip. It is dude.
this road trip
Dude.
started in Seattle, Washington, with California as our destination. So everyone meet my Jiju. He's driving us to California today. So Jiju, हमको आज कितना टाइम लगने वाला है?
आज हम जा रहे हैं सियाटल टू सैन होजे। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 850 माइल्स, सो अराउंड 13 to 14 आवर्स लगेंगे नॉन स्टॉप। और रुकते रुकाते अपन इवनिंग में या लेट नाइट 11 तक पहुंचेंगे।
And हम लोग किस हाईवे से जाने वाले हैं?
हम लोग जा रहे हैं I-5 से। इट्स लाइक इंटर स्टेट हाईवे।
It was my first long trip in the USA. The plan was to drive all the way to San Jose in California, covering almost 800 miles, which is roughly 1287 kilometers. The entire journey took us close to 12 hours, including short breaks. We were driving the Honda Odyssey, and it turned out to be a really good choice for such a long drive. The ride was smooth, the seating was comfortable for long hours, and highway driving felt very stable. Long trips like this really make you appreciate a car that doesn't tire you out. We started by heading south on Interstate 5, which is I-5, leaving Seattle behind. After a few hours, we crossed the Columbia River and entered Oregon, which is about 175 miles or 280 kilometers from Seattle. The greenery, wide roads, and open spaces immediately stood out. Driving here made me realize how important it is to stay alert and follow the rules. Speed limits are clearly marked, lane discipline is followed, and people actually respect traffic laws. सब लोग patiently drive करते हैं, which makes long distance travel much safer and less stressful. Continuing on I-5, we passed through Portland, then further south. By the time we reached Woodburn in Oregon, we were around 220 miles or 355 kilometers from Seattle. This was our planned break, perfect to stretch, grab something to eat, and refuel before continuing.
So we are in Woodburn and हम लोग सियाटल से 220 माइल्स आ चुके हैं। यूएस में यू कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस इन माइल्स, जो कि इंडिया के हिसाब से होता है 350 किलोमीटर, अराउंड 354 किलोमीटर्स। यहाँ पे हम 1 घंटे का ब्रेक लेंगे एंड देन वील मूव फॉरवर्ड। This is how people in USA pronounce my name, British. This is our boba tea gang.
A lot of this stretch goes through countryside, with farmlands and long, quiet highways. Driving here felt very different from back home. Roads are wide, traffic flows smoothly, and even after hours of driving, things don't feel chaotic. यहाँ पर realize होता है कि infrastructure कितना difference create करता है. By this point, it really hit me the same 1300 kilometer distance in India would easily take almost double the time. Between traffic, road conditions, and constant slowdowns, journeys back home feel very different. Here, consistency in driving makes a huge difference. As we moved further south into southern Oregon, we were about 400 miles or 645 kilometers from Seattle. This part of the drive felt quieter and more scenic.
दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट माई लॉन्गेस्ट रोड ट्रिप इन USA, बट ये मेरी ओवरऑल ही सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रोड ट्रिप है। हम लोग हाफ वे आ गए हैं, अभी हम लोग फ्यूल अप करने के लिए रुके थे लव्स पर, विच इज़ अ वेरी लग्जूरियस गैस स्टेशन। सो इट्स 5 PM इन द इवनिंग एंड आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इट्स डार्क एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू रीच सैन होजे एट अराउंड 12-12:30, 12 साढ़े 12 बजे रात के हम पहुँचेंगे। सो स्टिल वी आर हाफ वे और अभी हमें 5 घंटे और ड्राइव करना है। सो लेट्स गो। आर यू रेडी?
Can I also get in the front?
Yeah. So, how are you enjoying the road trip so far?
Good.
And
Yeah, good. I'm about to go on steep hills. We're about to go on steep hills, and we're gonna have fun. But right now, if you want to go check us going to Loves, you can check inside Going Loves. So let's go inside Loves, and we need 15 subscribers to go in Loves. So everybody subscribe to my Mamu channel if you want to see us go to Loves, the gas station. 3, 2, 1. That's your chance. Now 15 subscribers right now.
Little water in the tank like a fly. Old tire that you change is a bum. On the road you're traveling on. It's just a scratch. Little water in the tank.
Crossing into California, the landscape changed again. Soon we reached the Mount Shasta area, which is roughly 460 miles or 740 kilometers from Seattle. Mount Shasta rises to over 14,000 feet, and since it was December, snow was expected. The roads here can get tricky in winter, so we drove carefully and carried snow chains just in case. Because it was winter and close to Christmas, fuel planning was important. Even after filling up the night before, we still had to refuel a couple of times. Long road trips really teach you patience, planning, and respect for the journey. After Mount Shasta, we descended into Sacramento Valley, around 650 miles or 1,046 kilometers from Seattle. The weather became milder, snow disappeared, and the roads stretched long and straight. As we got closer to the Bay Area, which is San Jose or San Francisco, traffic slowly increased, but lane discipline and rule following still made the drive manageable. Finally, after almost 12 hours on the road, we reached San Jose in California, completing a journey of nearly 800 miles or 1,287 kilometers. And honestly, all this travel was completely worth it because I finally met my sister after almost 6 years. That moment made every mile feel meaningful. We're now spending some time in California, slowing down and enjoying the days ahead.
So we are in San Jose. कल रात में हम अराउंड 1 बजे सैन होजे पहुँचे. So मैं क्लोजर रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया, बट इट वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रोड ट्रिप्स एंड द लॉन्गेस्ट रोड ट्रिप्स. इंडिया में भी इतनी लंबी रोड ट्रिप हमने नहीं की है. थैंक्स टू माई जीजू who drove so well. Drive was amazing. थोड़े से challenges थे and काफ़ी लंबा ड्राइव था. But anyways, I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll be back with another one very, very soon.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear.